You like to learn different culture and different food, and you are in the right place. Today I'm gonna take you and I'm gonna show you how we make a mlak called mlak weka and mlak weka in my language. Start by having your 2 large onion and 1 large tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and your ingredient to use and spices. The meat we are using today is goat meat, and you can go with any meat of your choice. It's optional. And this food, guys, is full with memory. Like I say, when I was growing up, I eat this food a lot. And this food is good, especially when the weather is cold, when it's like winter time back home. Because we have a bit of winter in South Sudan. And this food used to help a lot of people. And the best part of this food, you can make it when you don't have that much to mix with. And anyone can afford it back then because it used to be a better lower cost to make. You make it even when you are well off or not well off at all. This food is full with a lot of things. And it reminds us how we came so far. And today, I miss my mom and my family. So I decided to make this one to make me feel close to them and feel at home. And I just want to teach my kid one of the food their mom used to eat, and they can learn from it. So buckle on and come along as I take you. You are unable to get me what I'm saying, you can just follow the process I'm showing you in the video there, and you will be good to make it. It doesn't need a lot. All you need is that 2 large onion, 1 tomatoes, and your spices, and you let it fry, and then add your meat, and you just check as it's cooked so it doesn't get burned. You add water, let it cook. When the water's come a bit, you add a bit, and you make sure to let it cook really nicely. When it's done, you just add your dry weka later. In this video, I'm going to use 3 different languages. So if they come across, they can watch. Dinka come across, it can watch, and anyone can watch it. Cuman chicken ting panda. Katal kana mla weka rana tan. Yani churu yora yorwan kula yam tal mla weka. Ken mla weka na ja tal batal chata mun wacha ket. Ko tamatam ne chata tin ko tawrin ditin ko mi ko spices. Ujen ka cha jome piu kwa ba jo pol bi jo twak. Yam nyogalan benala. Kwa ban waga piu. Kunya ta twak ma jan piu ka ta den kle kan chi bi kunam tiang. Uji bi yom. Kuna bian wega de jo ta wala. Ka chi kudang tomato paste kon ta. Kuja ben no kon basal. Kuja basal no da tomato paste ta. Kuja ben peji ke tin weka. Ka te ke bay leaf. Kwa ba jo ta twak. Assalamu alaikum ya jamana. Ahlele anina ga na mula weka o mula takale. Al takale ga na mula de anina ba haribino. Nasta Northern Sudan and Southern Sudan. Zaman kan nina ga na mula hada o nina ga na kula na. Mula hada nas kul ba haribino shadid. Zaman o mahadna ga hamul da. بعملين عصيدة أو كسرة على ناكل ميدا ومنهاجدا أو فيمس كتير من هلنا هناجدا ومنهاجدا ملاك حلو وتمام تدير بس إني بصل and dry weka and tomato paste and you're gonna use your spices. لو عندك spices ممكن تشيلهم وتحطوا كمان حملوا براحة عشان ما يعمل قرقش or something. نعرف كيف ما بعرف عربي فارق معانا لكن دي حبة بس يعني. Now if you come across for first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. and join me as we make this journey possible. And I just want to thank you. You are my new viewer, my new subscriber. Thank you for choosing to tune in and be a part of this one. Listen track and share what you think about this and what is your favorite part of it. And will you try it? And what do you call this one in your language? Do you have a similar dish to this? You can put that in the comment section there. And this is the kisra, what you have with, and you can have it with a sida. ممكن تاكل بعصيدة وممكن تاكل بكسرة زي إننا عارفينه كويس يعني السعوديين السودان. وخلاص لو حاجة ده انتهى زي ده تاخد فيه خسرة بتاعك في هذا في صحن وخد فيه ملحق حق يلا تاكل زي ده هو جاهز كويس. زي ما guys, you see, we come to the end of the video and I should see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe and watch until the end and check the cool video coming up here. And I shall see you there. See you.